Okay, now I am demonstrating how to use these online websites, how to generate worksheets quickly. The very first one is helpingmaths.com. Okay, now this is the maths, as you can see, the topic maths worksheet generators. And if we see the first line, all are free and easy to use. Isn't it so much excitement? That is so exciting. Uh, we can have so many limitless number of questions and we can generate quickly. So first of all, I'll go to the very first generator, that is addition and subtraction. Um, you can see many more generators. For example, number pair search. Next one is of multiplication and divisions. Then there is a fractions also and many more. So let's start with the very first generator. You can see this worksheet generator. Okay, now this is the box from where you can create worksheets very quickly. Uh, if you want to customize your worksheet, you have to click some options here. For example, in addition, first number and in second number, the first number I have to select the value, minimum value, what I want to take. If I want to take minimum value as 1, then I'll go for this as it is. But if I want to change, so let it be, for example, 10, and the maximum value of the first number, let it be, I take the last one, which is 99 here. And the second number is, if I start from 0, and the maximum number as 50, for example. Okay, next is operation. What operation I want? Since this is a worksheet generator for add, subtract, and multiplication. So let's go for options, add, subtract, or mix. So I'll go for the mix. And next one is the total, the maximum value, addition, some maximum value of the addition. If you want, that's okay. But I think that is not much required. But as per the student's need, we can go for that also. Let the sum come, whatever be. Uh, Next one is the format. If you want the horizontal format, you can go for that. And if you want to change, then we go for the vertical format. I think the first time when we are giving the worksheet, vertical format is the best format. Later on, as an MCQ or to select less questions, suppose for 10 questions, then we can go for horizontal also. Next one is column. How many columns you want? For example, I want 5 columns, or less than that, for example, 3 I want. And how many rows? That let it be okay, 8 rows. Now, in the left side, on the left side, you can see show answer. If you want the answer, that can also be visible if I click it. But here, abhi jo option hai, that is for hide answers. And the last one is the print worksheet. So basically, within seconds, I have generated my maths worksheet, and I have customized what I want according to the student's need. And this is how quickly it generates the worksheet. See how within seconds, जितनी देर में we all are discussing कि क्या रखना है हमें, what are the options, you can see कितनी जल्दी ये worksheets generate हो गई. And lots of questions, lots and lots of questions. If you want to create more, you can go again for uh, generator and create more questions. Now the last one is print. So I'll print this worksheet, and this is how it looks. Uh, the student can write their name here, and if I'll save this as a PDF and write it and click it on save. See if I want to save it on desktop, and desktop on maths worksheet folder, I can go for that. And if I want to change the name of the worksheet, that also I can do. I can go for a simple name, add maths worksheet. add, subtract. Then click on save, and this is how my worksheet is saved uh, in my computer. The next one is, and there are many more options you can choose. Let's go to the next online website link, and that is homeschoolmaths.net. Okay, again, this is a free maths worksheet generator, and you can see, if I see the instructions, you can customize. This is free print and copy, unlimited copies. So I can go for that. And here are the examples of variety of worksheets. If you want to pick from here, you can pick. For example, I have taken equivalent fraction worksheets from there. Now, if you want to do any changes, if you don't want to do any changes, then just take it as a PDF. No need, if you think that the worksheet is sufficient, then you just click on create PDF, and the same way you will save this worksheet. Here is a download button. You can download it or you can print it. The other option is, if you want to customize the worksheet, so you have to go a little down. So you can see how many different types of equivalent fraction worksheets you have on this website. Okay, this is the generator. These are the some instructions which are given here, which we can read quickly. Now, equivalent fraction worksheet generator. Choose one of the problem types below. They are presented in order of difficulty. So if I'm giving the problem to the different types of learner, and first is the beginner, so I'll start with the first only. Or if you are going for the average, mediocre learner, intermediate learners, then you take 2-3 options. And then is a column. You can change the column. For example, I want 3 column, and you want to change the row, then also you can change. Otherwise, it's okay. Numerator, max and minimum value you can change. Suppose I want to change till, for example, 12 is okay, fine for the beginners. And similarly, the minimum and maximum value for the beginners, it is okay. Now, allow mixed number, in which case, if you want a mixed number, you can go for that. Or allow improper fractions, you can go for that also. And then again, the page orientation, what you want, portrait or landscape. For example, I want portrait. So this is how you customize. Within a second, you will create a worksheet right now. The font is Arial, font size, cell padding, the border. If you want to change the color of the border, that then also you can go for that. And next is PDF worksheet. So just click on that and you will get the worksheet. So this is the equivalent fraction worksheet. And this is so creative worksheet, you can see, and it creates so quickly. Basically, students understand the concept through visual representation, through various examples from this worksheet. Okay, the next one is mathsgoodies.com. Now, as I told you earlier, कि यहाँ पर student online ही test कर सकते हैं, or you can print the worksheet also as it is. So let's go for example, here, percentage. Okay. Now create percentage worksheet. Convert between percent and decimal. Suppose I want to go for that. Next, again, customize type of conversion you want, from decimal to percentage or percentage to decimal or mixed. For example, I'm taking this percentage not greater than, larger than 100%, larger than 100%, or mixed. You can take any option. Number of questions you want, for example, you want 10 questions. And questions per row, how many you want, one or two, that's up to you. And then you have to just simply click on submit. And within a seconds, you will get the worksheet. See, this is. इस टाइम पे हम लोग काफी वर्क कर रहे हैं. सो ये वर्कशीट जनरेटर is a big tool which can generate worksheets. Now you can see here, this is, you can write your name and you can see the time has already been started. So student can write the answer as fast as they want and submit the button score me. Like 0.90 into percentage, the answer is 90, and so on. We have to multiply this by 100%. Again, the answer is 5, and this is how you will, the student will write the answers and then create, then he can go for the option score me. The moment he click on score me, you will get the result. For example, we'll do here 12 is 204, 18, and so on. So let me score me what I get. Okay. So your score is only 50%. Incorrect answers are in red. So now the students can print this or go for the print as a PDF and send it to the teacher as as a result also. And the same way he will save and email through their desktop, or simply if you want to give this worksheet as it is, you can give that also. The next one is edugames.org. Here you can find lots and lots of games. So we click on maths game and you can see so many games here. You can see addition wheel game, arithmetic crossword, balance the scale, draw angles. So see this bingo maths bingo. I have created this worksheet from this website. So if I go to the game, let's see how we will create the games on this website. Okay, so this is the card size you want. If you want 4 into 4, or if you want to increase the size, the 5 into 5 or 6 into 6, you can go for the option. So suppose I want 5 into 5. How many cards you want? If you want 2, then it's okay. But bingo जो है वो ज़्यादा के साथ तो that will be more effective. For example, I need 5 cards. Uh, Okay, free bingo is 5. That is the option. The number of bingo cards is here 10, or you want to change that option, you can go for that. For example, I want 15. तो यहाँ से आप दो bingos create कर सकते हैं. Still, I'll take 2 only. Then select the operation, add, subtract, multiply or divide, or you can go for 2 operations also. Suppose मुझे add and multiply चाहिए, so I can go for that also. But if I want all the operations, so I click on all the operations and see the questions are already being created here. Now next I'll go for the button on download the maths bingo puzzle. And here you can see loading, taking a second. Okay. Now open, okay, saying open when done. So this is how the cards has been created with no time. And then again you can download, and the answer key is also available, or you can print as per your need. Okay, the last one, similarly, the maths8.com. From here also you can generate uh, the worksheets very quickly. And I'll go show you the desktop app, which is Maths Worksheet Generator. See, this is the icon of Maths Worksheet Generator, and this is how it looks. I've shown you in the slide also. Now here you will type the problem you want. For example, you want a fraction problem. So you can type here. So I've just write down my problem, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 6. Now, if you want more number of problems, you can click on that. Suppose I want 13, for example, or you can select the problems, problems from here also. As you can see, you can select anyone from here. Now, I want the fraction problem of this type only. So this is fractions with different denominators, and just have to create the button, click the button create. Okay, this is, see how I get this worksheet very quickly. Now this is editable. So I can go to the file and save as, where I want to save. Again, I want to save on desktop, and Maths Worksheet. You want to name this file as fraction 1, and then click on save, and see how this uh, worksheet is generated. Now you can edit whatever you want. You want more space, you can go for that. You want to edit the topic, you can go for the topic. So this is a very wonderful tool to create different types of worksheets. Similarly, you can you will save the worksheet. So that's all for today. Thank you.